This is how you can submit a service request on the Cat Rental Store customer portal. When having an issue with one of the equipment you have on rent, you can use the portal to submit service requests. Just go to your rentals dashboard, find the equipment that you're having some trouble, click on this drop down, and click on the service option. You can select the status of the machine, add any relevant notes to the dealer, and submit it to the dealership. They will receive it, look at your information, and get back to you as quick as possible. And once they have a service truck going out to you, if needed, you will receive a service confirmation and a scheduled date for the work to be done.